we're going to make Christmas tree crayons. Yay! You want to see how I made these? Just keep watching. Kids, here's what we need to make Christmas tree crayons. We need these Christmas trees molds. We need glitter. We need scissors. And we need crayons. Let's begin. Since I've used my broken crayons, I've sorted them by color. This is brown. This is yellow. This is pink. This is orange. This is blue. Now I have to cut them in small pieces. So I'm not allowed to use these sharp scissors, so I'm going to get my mommy to help me. Or you can also use a sharpener, but it's going to take longer. Here go, guys. So my mommy took them in pieces. Thank you, mommy. Now let's put them in the mold. I'm so excited. But first, don't forget the glitter. Put some glitter. Whoa! Whoa, it's snowing! Now to put the crayons. First, I'm going to try with yellow. I think I should put all of the yellow. Right? More. It's a bit. This is already full. Now I want to do pink. The pink is my favorite color. Bit more. Done. Now it's time for orange. They're being so nice when they're out. Now let's do fresh. Here's fresh. Let's take some pepperonis. We need pepperonis. What should I do next? Maybe green. So nice. After green, I'm going to do red because it's Christmas. Ooh, ready. Now let's do brown. It's like poop. This sitting is a chocolate. Now I'm going to do black. Black as a night. Ah, it's with the brown and they're best friends. Now time for purple. This was my color, right? That's enough. Oh, we have two left. I feel I should get light blue. Time to put them in the oven, guys. Mommy, can you help me, please? They're ready, guys. I'm so excited. And also, Mommy put some glitter on the top. Let's pop them out. Woo! Yay! Yay, they look beautiful. Look at these. There's purple, pink, blue, yellow, orange, red, green, fresh, brown, and black. I love them, what they turned out. So glittery. I like the pink one and the purple one the most, and also the yellow one and the blue one. Wow! it, I can make a star. What do you feel of this Christmas tree crayons, guys? Are you so excited to make them too? Bye, be subscribed. Peace out. This is going to be nice presents. Just put them in a jar. Ooh, this one is nice. Here how it's nice. Doesn't it get pretty? Wow, it's pretty. Ooh, it's pretty. Wow, so pretty. Here we also made some multi-tower Christmas trees. I like this one because it has red and green. And also, I also like this one, 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 this one. Shake, 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 shake. I love them.